What's up, guys? Welcome to brobeatz. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a JayDaYoungan type beat. So let's just get started. My BPM is 142. Anything around 140 is pretty cool. So, or just use whatever BPM you want to use. Simple as that. My sounds, I'm using two pianos because one I'm thinking I'm going to use for chords and then one for melody. And I've been doing that lately on my beats. So I just want to show you that anyway. But yeah, just use like a grand piano. If you have a preset that says grand piano, use that. I have this guitar. All right, this is the plugin. That's the preset I'm using. And this is just like gonna act as an ARP, I guess. Just fillers. I just use a lot of ARPs in my beats and stuff. And then here's another ARP, my own preset. And then these post chords that I hear a lot in his music. All right, that's what they sound like. You probably recognize them. And some basic trap drums. All right, just some Beethoven type of drums, something like that. I'm gonna pull in the scale. Let's just use this. All right, so let's just build a melody, and I guess we can just use this one. Why not? All right, so I want to make the melody. When I make these type of beats, I'll make the melody a lot longer than usually. I just make a melody that's something like that, right? But I make these a lot longer. So I'm gonna do it in two parts. So let's just do this first part, and I'm gonna just lay down some notes, and then as I'm listening to this note, I'm gonna click. You'll see me like click and listen to see if that note would sound good with this one, right? So let's just do that right now. Out. All right, so I like that so far. Now let's do the second part. So let's just scroll this over a little bit. Now I do gotta kind of look over here a little bit to see what notes I used. So, all right, well, let's go up. Let's go higher. All right, one thing that I am doing is I'm offsetting these notes. So like you see this 4 and the line that goes down, that's like on the grid. I'm offsetting them, so that when I actually make the drums and stuff, it gives it more bounce to the melody and the beat in general. So yeah, that's just basically why I put those there. Let's see. All right, so I like that. So now what we're gonna do is do the in-between notes, and this is just like anything like flams or anything like that. So a flam will look something like this. All right, and that just gives your melody a little bit more spice or whatever. So, but I think I'm gonna do transitions, because I don't want to make the melody too crazy. I just want it to be kind of smooth. So I'm gonna do transitions, so it will look, so like when I'm going into this chord, or like when the the beat is gonna go on this one, I'll probably put a note something like this, something like that. All right, so I'm gonna just do that throughout. Okay, so, okay, so I really like this melody. So now we're pretty much done. So what I'm gonna do is copy this over here. All right, and let's listen to this one real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna take out these notes because they're too harsh. All right, let's take these out here. Lower this a bit. Okay, and then let's take out the chords here and just use the in-between notes for this piano. Something like that. And we can even stretch these ones out a bit. All right, so here we go. Hold up. I don't like that, so let's pull these back. So now I'm just gonna copy these to the other ones, and it's pretty simple from here. So, and that might be too low, so let's pull that up. All right, so here, and then let's edit this a little bit. We don't need this to play on every single part, so we can just take out a few. Actually, we could just take out all the middle ones. Something like that. And let's see what that sounds like. It should sound good. It's the same notes. All right, so now for the drums, and this is the easy part. All right, just, you know, listen to, basically just take the same notes that you already used and then, you know, put them on your 808 or your drums, or right, well, not your drums, your 808, but you get what I'm saying. So now let's do that. So I believe I started on the G. Yeah, so let's just use that to start with. Now let's switch it up a little bit on this side. All right, so now let's do the rest of these. So we can just do a simple, well, actually, let's pull this down. Okay, and then we could just make a simple pattern. All right, so let's start here. Do a clap, make sure the velocity's up. All right, so now let's play it all together. Turn these on, and here you go. Wait. Right, and that's how you make a JayDaYoungan type beat. So yeah, if you like this video, you know, leave a thumbs up, comment, and also subscribe if you enjoyed the video, especially if you are new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.